A nature-inspired program for form and design development was conducted by Surabhi Khanna and Professor Sudarshan Khanna at IIT Kanpur. This was part of design course by Dr. Koumudi Patil. The students did intensive research work in groups and developed innovative ideas expressed through prototypes.
And there is a tadpole inside.
Simple cam mechanism which moves up and down, so due to the
It
wheel.
has a fish sound in it, so I didn't get a pump, but it's
Stays like this, but when we pull it, it becomes in this direction. So when we keep on pulling it,
tail,
It will move the tail.
it will move the
and
tail.
also the front.
Yes, yes.
गिटार का ये करके, because it should look like you are doing.
Very nice. This thing bobs, the head bobs in oblong or oval, so that the momentum is gained by a weight which is being put at the bottom. It's dangling, so it just works like a hitman.
A group of 25 postgraduate students with background in engineering, applied arts, etc. participated in this program. This was a pioneer input for students. The outcome was in form of playable products inspired by relationship of nature and design. The students were thrilled to experience such a new design approach of developing new ideas and forms.